say is that, like, I just want niggas to come together, bro. That's all. To look like a unit. Right now, we look separate. I can't help nobody. Like, what? Like, somebody. Like, that shit is crazy to me, bro. Like, unbelievable. Like, come on, son. I'll do this every day. But then what would that prove to niggas, bro? To all the dick riders watching, going to tell niggas, bro. Ask them how this helps, bro. Matter of fact, let me show you how fucking real it is. Because niggas think I'm fucking playing. I deal with bullshit. I mean, I would never come out my mouth to say some of the shit that niggas say to me. Niggas might call me a bitch for this. I don't give a fuck. Let's see where this shit is at. I don't even know where it's at, man. This shit old. Let me see if I can find. Bear with me. Bear with me, man. Bear with me. Oh my God. If I could find this. Yeah, if this shit reaches 100 people, dumb fake. OD. Oh, here we go. Now. This is for the niggas sending it to these niggas, bro. Because niggas want to talk to me like this. Mind you, has anybody seen a status, a video, a story disrespecting niggas like this? Has anybody seen me disrespect this man like this? Has anybody, somebody, ask somebody, has anybody seen me disrespect this nigga like that? Has anybody? And I had the nerve to call my mom Audrey afterwards. The fuck out of here, bro. I never disrespected nobody like that, bro. I would not do that to nobody out of the love that I have for my brother, bro. I would never do that to nobody, bro. Out of the love that my brother has for niggas, I would never do that to nobody. But I see the love that they have for him will have them disrespect their family. You can't disrespect the dead's family. The nigga never, I've been trying to be nice for months. I invited niggas to my video. That nigga did not show a face, but then went to somebody else's video shoot the week after that. I don't gotta lie. Niggas think I'm upset. No. You know what I am? I'm disappointed. Because I knew Mike D since we were young, bro. I knew his big brother. Since we were young, we used to play ball together, bro. Ain't that shit crazy? Ain't that shit crazy? I would never disrespect none of these niggas like that out of the respect that a man like Bashar had for these niggas, bro. I would never. I would never. Like, bro. You feel me? That shit is so crazy. Out of the love that I have for my brother, I would never disrespect 092, the Wolves. You feel me? I just say I don't want no part in all of this and the Crips and all that because I don't live that life, but I respect niggas that really go out and grind. I respect it. He would never come on this live. He would never. He would never. He doesn't respond to my texts in months. He has not responded to a text in months. My text. Never. I have love for all my brothers, bro. If you black and you mean something, and you sitting here trying to fight to be better, you put in that work, nigga, I believe in you. Sis, I believe in you. I believe in you. So for me to sit here and act like I never cared about these niggas would be a lie. And don't let these niggas over here fool y'all. I've been trying to connect and love niggas for a minute now, bro. You know how it feels to be the oddball out every time because you're not gang. Do y'all know how that feels? Do y'all know how it feels to ask? Like my mother had to tell me don't search for acceptance, which made me feel like shit because I was like, yo, I'm not trying to search for acceptance. I thought I was doing something good for my brother, and niggas don't fuck with me. Niggas don't fuck with me. That is the fucking truth. Niggas wanna ask me, well, why nobody shouting you out? Nobody following this person I following. Da 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 da. It's because no one fucking with me. Ain't it obvious? And then y'all come on my live and y'all say I'm a good person, and I feel like I am. But almost for a while, I almost went crazy because I said, yo, these niggas not gonna have me feel like I ain't doing nothing for my brother. Niggas OD fake, exactly. Talking about Mike, talking about anybody else, almost 100, bro. Almost 100, bro. By the way, check out my music. 20 people share my shit right now from this live. I will drop a new song right now on you niggas, bro. I will drop a new song right now on you niggas, bro. Matter of fact, if y'all come fuck with a nigga over here, I'll drop my song with my brother. Fuck that shit. Y'all come fuck with me. Y'all come fuck with me, I'll drop my song with my brother. That shit gonna go viral. I only got one song left, and that's gonna be the best song ever. After that, I'm about to just get on all his shit. I'm gonna just feature on all his tracks. I'll violate. I'll be like, yo, all the songs can still, yo, I'm Pop Smoke now. My mother's Pop Smoke now. I just be like, yo, I'm gonna get on, like, bro. A lot of niggas got shit that they wasn't supposed to get, bro. And I said nothing. I tried to help with the project. Niggas ain't want me to help. Oh, what's going on with Meet the Shoot for the Star, Aim for the Moon, Part 2, Niggas ain't want me on it. Fabio, the only real nigga I feel like right now, because this is the only nigga, you know what I'm saying? And looks can be deceiving, but I respect it. At least he's trying to make sure my mom was good. At least he's trying to make sure I'm good. And then that's why I said, for y'all who missed it earlier, he the only one who brought me out to do something that wasn't music to meet. You know what I'm saying? He brought me to a peace walk. Something that he knew that I was passionate about. You know what I'm saying? He knew that I would be a part of it, and he let me represent my family. They can never take me out my zone. You can never take me out my zone. Anything I'm saying right now, please do not use what I'm saying right now and replace it with anger. I'm not angry. I'm concerned. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. I'm concerned. I'm not mad. I'm concerned and I'm disappointed. Like, you feel me? And still to this day, I ain't even trying to be on nobody's, you feel me, bandwagon. I still ain't trying to be on nobody's album. I'm still grinding myself as Obasi Jackson, not as the real Pop Smoke's brother. Not as nothing, not as gang, not as nothing. I don't know the conversations he had with those. And you know what, gang life is different because, you know, they have a code that's different. You know what I'm saying? If you know what I'm saying, everybody about that gang, so they ain't die for nothing. That's what, shit, what's that boy name? What that boy name? What that little boy name? Oh, shit, man. Dirk. Lil Durk. He said that himself. He was like, everybody about this gang shit, so he ain't died for nothing. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, he died for nothing. Them niggas that killed him over in Cali were crip. He died for nothing. For what? Some jewels, some money? He died for nothing, bro. He died for nothing. Now niggas will never see him again. Except for on videos and in their death. When we transfer our energies and we cross over to the different dimension, bro. Like, I spread love. I show love. You think industry niggas can be safe, but at the end of the day, God is good, bro. I'm not even like, you feel me? We're gonna get in how we get in. We're gonna get it how we get it. You feel me? Like, y'all niggas, you feel me? Shit is really crazy. I'm sorry, I ain't That's a good question. Bro, why they showing all this energy for these fake Pop Smoke pages but won't show love for you? Ha! Good fucking question. And these Pop Smoke pages be disrespectful as hell sometimes. I had to let some of these motherfuckers go. Like, shit. And I hope almost 100... Why are you saying Crip killed her? Hoover is Crip! Hoover Crip! And sometimes I don't even feel like that's even like, I feel like it's only a part of whatever's going on. Like, you feel me? This shit just busts my head. I know it's busting y'all head too. This shit at 100. Can somebody just add somebody next? Yo, add somebody to the, I mean, yo, share this live real quick. This shit need to go on 100 so I can screenshot and be like, yo, y'all niggas is crazy. Shit went to 101, bro. Hoover criminals in LA were Crip. Hoover is Crip. Hoovers are different in Cali. See, niggas only pull up because he started talking about Pop. Yo, that's fucked up. Yo, like, no cap. No capitan. Like, for real, no capping, bro. Like, no cap.